This Coldwell Banker Welcome Home Realty property video is presented by Mary Weller. Easy living in this one-level home that has been tastefully remodeled. Built as a patio-style home located in a residential neighborhood, offers the alternative to a patio home in an association. The home offers wonderful open floor plan with lots of views all around. The gourmet kitchen offers solid maple cabinets, appliances that include gas stove, 2 double sinks and updated flooring and countertops. The windows have been replaced with Anderson renewal. The bathrooms have been gutted and very tastefully modernized and renovated with heated floor added in main bath. A wonderful heated/insulated garage addition was added to the home's original garage, which was converted into main floor, a laundry, exercise room, separate storm-safe room and plenty of storage space. The home is located at the end of the cul-de-sac just down from a city park. The backyard offers a 32 by 10 custom paver brick patio, fire pit and tree house/playset. For more information